Hello and welcome to Gone Exploring. Today we're going to do a little DIY project. I have this turtley thing. It's really quite old, but I always like the detail on it, and I think it's just made out of resin or something, but I've had it for like 20 years. And it used to have like a brushy thing in here. Well, that all kind of rotted away. So I took that out and cleaned out this part, and I kind of pictured what would it look like that had like blue beads in it. And if I glued them all in place, like a blue back. And in my head looked really cool, so that's what we're going to try to do. I'm going to be using crazy glue, so I'll probably glue my fingers together quite often, but it should be fun. So what I'll be doing is upcycling this instead of throwing it out. Most other people would probably say throw it out because most of the paint's worn off. It's got a broken foot over here, but I like it. I'm also going to be getting help, apparently. So I'm going to start with these clear beads, or what are they called? Clear glass gems. Alright, so I'm going to start with these clear gems because I'm hoping that that will reflect the light more up into the blue. And here we go. Alright, I'm about halfway around. I'm going to start putting them down. Yeah, so far so good. Haven't stuck myself yet. So this material, whatever this turtle's made out of, seems to be absorbing a lot of the crazy glue right away. So I'm not going to put down a whole lot. Just work my way slowly around. It's amazing how everything in this house is so covered in dog hair. Gotta find a little one to fit in there. And I'll have to do. And I'm going to keep going round and round until I use up my little clear stones. Gems, sorry. Little clear gems. Alright, these little ones, I think I'm going to be a little harder. So far so good, no fingers glued together yet. going to get a little bowl for these. Well, here it is all done. I like it. Maybe you can use more marbles. We'll see. Next time we go to Dollar Store, maybe we'll get more. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.